Good morning, guys. Natalie Martinez. We are going to do another STEM activity, and it's going to be called dancing rice. This means that the rice will be dancing in food coloring, vinegar, and baking soda. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, guys, Jackson again. She is going to do the video, the STEM video with, what is it called?
Dancing rice.
All right. Okay, go ahead and add your liquid. You have 3/4 cup of water. Well, 3/4 of your glass filled with water.
Yes.
Sorry. Spit it out, Nat. Spit it out. Okay, now go for it.
Okay.
Add your, what are you adding?
My vinegar?
Yep. And how much vinegar are you using?
I'm using 1 tablespoon.
Okay. It says 1 to 2.
I'm gonna add 2.
Okay, go for it.
Actually, let's just add 1.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you're gonna add what? 1 tablespoon of...
Baking soda.
Yep, perfect. So get that.
Make it flat and then make it wipe off all that.
Awesome. Good job. Ooh, it's fizzing. And then you are going to add food coloring. Any color of food coloring that you would like.
I'm adding blue.
Awesome. Go ahead and do your blue then.
Because blue is my favorite color.
Okay. All right, now here it goes. Did you add in your vinegar?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you are going to add
My rice, I think.
your rice. Yep. A 1/4 cup.
I'm using a 1/4 cup.
Perfect. There we go.
Oy. Spin a little bit.
Okay, now let's watch it. Just kind of stir them a little bit just to see. There we go. Now we just gotta wait and see if the rice starts dancing. If the rice does not dance,
We can add a little bit more vinegar.
vinegar. Absolutely, that's the key. Well, they're kind of slow dancing.
Let's add a little bit
Let's
more.
add some more vinegar.
Boom.
Ooh, there they go. Now they're
starting
really
to
dancing.
dance.
Awesome. Did you like this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. How come?
I don't know. I really like science experiments, and I like to use rice and stuff like that in the experiment. So I thought it was pretty fun.
Cool. Go ahead and shake it up. Stir it. I'm sorry, don't shake it up. Stir it.
You're like, you can't shake it.
Oy, okay, now see.
Some rice is sticking to the thing.
Is it?
Oh, now they're dancing.
Now they're dancing. There you go. There you have it. Dancing rice. We did one earlier to kind of see.
If it will work.
And we used red, and there you have it. Now we have
It kind of
dancing
turns
red rice.
pink a little bit, but it's a pretty color.
It's still pretty, huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Fun fact, Nat's favorite color is red.
Fun fact, that's my second favorite color. What's my first?
Red. I mean black.
Okay, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.